Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we'll see how to use the border feature in Microsoft Excel. So let us open the software. As I need some data, I'll open a previously saved file, that is this one here. And we have the data to which we can apply the different border tools and we'll see how they work. So to save over the border tool, it is available here under the Home tab, the font panel, over here, this one. So right next to the symbol we have an arrow. If you click on which you can see many other different options under that. So these options are the ready-made borders available in the software. But whereas these two options help you to create your own borders. So you can call it as a manual border creation tool. So we'll see how they work now. First things first you have to select the cells to which you want to apply the border. So maybe I'll select these cells here. So let us apply one of the borders here. So come to this arrow. Maybe I'll go with the all borders. Can you see? It looks much better now than before, right? Yes. So now I'll select this cell again here. I'll go to this arrow. Maybe I'll go with the thick outside border. So you can understand the difference, right? So there are different options here. Very easy. Just go through them. Now let us see these options here. So if you want to give a border with color, what you can do is just select the data and go to this arrow here. Click on line color. Select one of the color here. Maybe we'll go with the blue color. And now click on one of the borders here. So I'll go with the maybe outside border. Can you see? Well, it is not that noticeable. So I'll select this again. Maybe I'll go with the thick outside border. Can you see the color there? Yes, so this is how we can give a color to the border. And if you want to remove the border means select the cell again and come to this option. Click on no border. I'll select all of these. Come to this arrow. Click on no border. So this is how you remove the border. So now let us see these options here. These options help you to create the border manually. So we'll try the first one, draw border. So you have to click and drag over the cells to create a border. So I'll start from here and I'll start dragging. So this tool works just like a outside border. Only the outside border will get, no inside borders. Got it? It looks like a box. So now I'll remove this. So click escape on the keyboard to come out of the tool. Select these cells again. Click on no border. Now let us try this option here. Draw border grid. So I select it. Now look at it. I click and drag from here. And we have all border. It works just like the all border option here. So do go through these options here. Very similar and very easy. So if you have any doubts, please comment below. Please subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.